Found your secret crabbing spot, mate. We're on to ya. One each we got. Tongue just goes, I'm gonna head back to camp. You head into the creek and we'll come back and have a party. It's just left us in the middle of the bloody ocean. Run dominoes, they said off, so. Look what the cat dragged in. Hey? We found your secret crabbing spot, mate. We're on to ya. Alright, so we've run into Tongue again. He's got his pots out this morning. He's gonna show us how to get out, the best way to get out, and take us to his secret Mangrove Jack fishing spot. We're pretty bloody excited. Definitely finished up yesterday, best fisherman. This guy right here. Big, only Barra. Jumped in the competitor's boat. We're aboard HS, MS, Donnie, Slush, Stacey. We're off to a flying start. Got a nice little crab this morning.
G'day, mate. Quite the fluffy.
So now I'm gonna be a real asshole. Gonna go straight to our secret spot for yesterday. I know Alex will already be there, but we're gonna go and pinch some fish. Well, we didn't get very far, did we, Donnie? What's going on here? We got the whole crew, everyone's excited to go out, and we ran out of fuel. So, Tongue's come and got us. He's going to take us out. Hopefully it's not too windy. We just, I just nailed one mangrove jack, one good cod. Alex, Alana and Tiff are at the back there, and then another bloke that we met up here, and a couple of his kids are keen to come out as well. So, excitement's high!
There's a light like the sun through the pines in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my hand in the jar. For the great moon in the middle.
This is a very hidden secret fishing spot by Tongue. Can only get in on high tide. This is where he puts all these crab pots. Unreal.
This feeling inside, you came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind.
Tongue just goes, I'm gonna head back to camp and cook up some crab for you guys. You head into the creek and we'll come back and have a party. It's just left us in the middle of the bloody ocean. We just seen about a 3-metre shark run past. Here's a ray. So far, the secret fishing spot might as well be a secret because there's no bloody fish here. No, there's actually a shitload of fish here, but all lots of little live bait. A couple of cod, but nothing substantial yet. Just coming up here, it's only bloody 30 centimetres deep. There'd have to be 10 little shark. Hopefully I can show you before we scare them in the boat. We've got to get pretty close with the GoPro, but this is pretty cool. There would have to be 50 shark here. Oh, massive ray. This is sick. Oh, look at this. Whoa. I didn't have the camera on because we were all going hammer and tong, but we closed it out with about, what, 5 barramundi,
6
and about 4 or 5 jack.
No interviews.
Barra champion, well done. And I still didn't manage to get a bloody barra. Me.
The biggest of 5 landed.
One each we got. Oh yeah. Gotta love a bit of mangrove jack. Yeah, it's good.
This I just only the crab fisherman have.
Crab fisherman recipe only. Secret recipe, I would tell you, but can't. Tongue will kill me. It's good.
It's really good.
Shower time, got the car warming up. The girls are filling up the bucket. Boys are off getting wood while the girls enjoy a hot shower. Alright, well after a massive day fishing, cleaning up, what do you think we would do? Look at this, bit of battered fish for dinner. Cooked fish. We call it fish a la tacos. We're cooking a bit of cod and mangrove jack, and over there in the dark, Dad Goose is trying to cook a little bit of barra. He caught this little silver fish, no big deal. No big deal. Anyway, we're going to enjoy this tonight. Righto, so me and old bloody Alex over there have supplied the goods. But Donnie and Stace have cooked up a mean feed. Bit of barra, geez, I've had a few beers. Bit of battered barra, cod and mangrove jack. A bit of taco seasoning. Lettuce tomato wraps. Should you ring Barry, or he's sick of hearing from me?
I think he's pretty sick of hearing from all of us. Maybe we should get Tongue to call Barry.
Yeah. Thanks for the secret spot, Tongue.
Thanks,
Unreal. Alright, well the plan was to leave today, but we couldn't help ourselves. The wind's dropped even more. Tongue, the legend, is hooking us up with some more fuel. We're going back to the secret fishing spot.
Yep.
We've just gone out to check the crab pots this morning. Two absolute stonkers. What do we got here? This one is a negative, Donnie, reverse.
Really?
Yep, reverse. Bugger, none in that, but we got a few more pots out this morning. So it turns out, here's a little tip if you're going crabbing. Back in Queensland, we always put them up near the mangroves, in the little side creeks. Now, we're up at Lorella. We're just out the front of the beach camp. Middle of the river is the spot to put your crab pots. Now, I didn't really believe that. Not that I'm very good at crabbing, but Tongue, the pro crabber, he just told us, and we just put ours in the middle. We got two monster males that we're going to keep. We had another two females in there, which were definitely sizable. In Northern Territory, you can keep the females, but we got enough crabs, so we let the females go. We just kept those two monster males. Let's go check these other pots, Donnie. I don't know, she's in the deep water. The last one in the middle, we absolutely cleaned up. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
on here.
We're on.
Only a little tucker on it. Oh, and there's a big hoo-ah!
Hey, look at him.
Righto, so we got on the last pot and we're on again. Look at these stonkers. Both good sized crabs.
We're pretty good at crabbing.
Couple of little females here, we'll throw them back and we'll keep these big males.
Oh, high five.
Nice. Unreal, what a take for the morning. Mum, you got some crab coming home?
Absolutely, thoroughly enjoyed that. Thanks, Matt, for taking us out here.
Not a problem, mate. Lorella turned it on. We were pretty lucky with the weather. It was good the wind dropped, eh?
Absolutely, I think it only means that it should hopefully get better for us as we keep on going.
Plenty of fish, plenty of crab. Now, King Ash Bay. Or what, we'll probably crash here tonight, I reckon.
Yeah, mate, let's get you a barra.
The elusive barramundi. Alright, go Tiff. worn out. Oh, what a day.
Yes. Now he's coming to get. Get him, Alex. Get him. Alex versus Emu, round 3. What's for dinner tonight?
Oh, we rung Domino's. They said off, so we've got some pizzas on the go, on the coals. See if this works. Should be spot on.
How's the G bread?
Oh yeah. Bloody meat
Better
lovers
than-
pizza done and dusted. Hot, delicious garlic bread ready to go. Some couple called depressurizing. I'll tag them at depressurizing for you guys. I'll share. Don't worry.
Out.
You love it.
Like a spit roast and marshmallows.
All right, well there you go. That wraps up a massive 5 nights we ended up doing at Lorella Springs. Basically, we just punched it straight out to the coast. We sat at the beach, fished. Alex caught nothing the whole time we were here. Not a single fish. I'm sick of catching barra, so I had to leave. My arms were getting sore. My honest opinion is do not come here after
A shit wet season.
after a poor wet. Or if you do, April or May, and you'll be able to do the water holes. It's just too bloody dry in June and July. If they've had a really good wet, you could probably get away with June, maybe July, but give them a call. I wouldn't come all the way out here unless you'd really done your research and you know what it's like. But I mean, the fishing was pretty good.
Oh, fishing was good for us, but you've got to have a boat. Don't expect to catch good fish off the beach.
Yeah, you sort of want to bring a boat. Although last time we were here, they were getting some pretty good queenies off of Rosie's Creek. Look, at the end of the day, it's a remote park. They've got a lot of cool things to offer. It'd be absolutely amazing in the wet season. It is expensive, $20 a night per person, so just keep that in mind. But hell of a place. Just do a bit of research before coming here.
Talk to people.
Talk to other people.
Yeah, talk to other people. They sort of tell you everything's nice, so talk to people that have actually been out there. Find out what swimming holes are good and what's worth going to. But look, I love the place. I reckon it's unreal. But if I come back, it'll be April when it's absolutely wet as a shag, waterfalls are flowing, and yeah, spend a little bit more time fishing. But anyway, it was still a hell of a lot of fun. We had a ball out at the beach. We caught a heap of fish, bucket load of crabs. We've got enough fish and crabs in the fridge and freezers to last us the next week and longer.
Yeah, but we need more than that.
Yeah, so we're off.
Off the wheel, dude.
Donnie and Stace are already in the water. We're at King Ash Bay. We're heading out fishing for the day. There's already about 40 cars with trailers in the back. But let's get this boat in the water.
When I see that girl out on the road, she rocks my world, and I feel like I'm on overload. Hey, hey,
Do you know how hard it is to get close to these crocs so we can show you on the GoPro? There was one just cruising through here, maybe 3 meters, and we would have seen at least 5 now over 3.5 meters. Well, at least 2 of them are bigger than 4. Crazy. Oh, we're coming in to have a look at crocs, and Alex has just beached us. We've only seen 4 crocs over 3.5 meters in the last 5 minutes. Let's get out and push. Alex can get out and push.
Oh my god.
Let's do it again.
I regret coming out out here today. It's the worst decision of my life.
Wasn't worried. Alright, so we've been told by one of the tinnies when we put the boat in that they've caught a 3.5 or 3 metre croc in the trap, so we thought we'd come and have a quick look. Oh wow.
Scary. We're done.
Yeah, boy. It's a big boy out. Yeah, boy. We had enough of croc watching. Made it back to camp. Tiff sunbaking. Lance just doing the usual, just knocking back GTs like they're going out of fashion. If anyone asks, she's a raging alcoholic. Lazy Saturday afternoons. Oh, by the way, no, my garlic butter fell out of my Kiev.
Oh no.
Oh no, not the Kiev garlic butter trick. We also found out if you come to King Ash Bay, when you get in here, get to the petrol station, turn left. You can actually drive all the way up to what they call Batten Point. Free camping. Means you don't have to be 10 metres from a caravaner. And you also don't have to pay. Righto. Righto. We've done all the boring shit. We've washed clothes. We've cleaned out the bedding. And now it's time for the good stuff. Oh, cheers. Oh, no, not really. So we've been sitting down drinking beers, cheese platter.
When the guys are doing the hard work catching fish all day, or went fishing.
Donnie's actually had to change another tyre.
He has.
Donnie, how many tyres is that, mate?
2, mate.
2 tyres.
That's alright. These things happen.
Now we don't want to bag out Coopers at all,
But they suck.
I have not performed, that's for sure.
but he's had to do 2 tyres. And how many of your BFGs had to do?
I don't even carry a spare. You don't need to.
We carry 1 spare each, and it's for no other reason than aesthetics.
That's true.
What's all of the stuff?
I don't know, because there's not much on Lawn Hill.
See you next time.